Hey YouTube, RC Flyer here. Been out for a week, so you haven't seen any content. I'm at my local airfield, the Winston-Salem RC Club, and I'm going to be taking up the UMX Air Tractor. A little overcast today, a little chilly, not too much wind. Love the lights on this, got the takeoff flaps. Let's go. You can see the wind pushing it. Flaps up. I'll try to keep it close because it's a UMX. You can't see it very much. This is zero throttle into the wind. Loop. Very capable planes. Wind, you can almost go backwards. Look at that. See the wind pushing? Really fun plane. Might be able to just land it. Oh. Well, we'll try it again. Yeah, this is a crosswind, so it's going to be a little harder to do a landing. Try it again. Try to just... You can see where the wind's just pushing this thing. And up, because it was such a good wind. I really don't need flaps. I got to get her down though, so let's do the approach. Don't need much. There we go. Let's take her up again. Woo! Oh. You can see that the wind just stops her in her tracks. That. Terrible landing. Try it again. There we go. Much better.